Hello, Mechanic Singh here. Stop wasting your money on these stupid chain loops. This Castrol transmission oil is the best chain loop. So I have used Castrol Motul in past, spending 500,000 rupees on the chain loops, the big bottles, and I have found that this Castrol or transmission oil is the best. Why? First of all, the price. This uh, transmission oil cost me 250 rupees for 1 liter. That's cheap. This bottle is gonna last me 1 year, and this chain lube 100 rupees for 120 ml, and it's half the air. The lube is like so less, and also this chain lube sticks so much. The Castrol one doesn't attracts dust or anything. And why it's best, as in a truck transmission it's ATW90, the thickest grade. The oil is supposed to stick to the gears, to the clutches, and doesn't it's not supposed to splash. So in a chain sprocket, this oil sticks really well and doesn't dirty your clothes, or all the tires and wheels are not covered in oil. So that's a plus point for this transmission oil, Castrol one. And the chain loops, they have a black gluey stuff, and it's so difficult to take off of a dirty chain. So that's why I prefer this Castrol one. Let me show you. This is a roll-on chain loop. I don't have the Castrol or the more expensive one, but this will work. See, spraying on a cardboard piece. It is a like penetrating type of fuel fluid, but in reality you just have to lubricate the O-rings. The chain lube is very sticky, it's thin, and it attracts a lot of dust, you can see. And it also flows, so the chain is not that silent. uh, but using the Castrol transmission oil, the chain becomes really silent. So the Castrol one, Motul one chain lube are better, and they are more black. But this stuff, this is the deal, the cheapest, the best. I bought this ketchup bottle for 10 rupees from a kitchen hardware store, and you just put the oil, it's a golden thick oil, into the bottle, fill it up, and it becomes easy, because putting the oil from the whole bottle is very difficult. So with this ketchup bottle, it's very easy and it's very precise where you want to put the oil, because you want to put the oil right on the o-ring. And see, uh, the oil is thick and doesn't flows that much. Put the cap on, you're good to go. The difference between the oil and the chain lube is, this is oil, you can see, and this is chain lube. This is so thick, and this is just liquidy gluey stuff. First of all, the chain lube, just for example, seats goes in. That's it. You need to lubricate these o-rings. The main purpose of the chain lube or any lube is to lubricate these o-ring. Black residue, this black residue, it's from the chain lube roll-on I used. So I like to do this from this side, just like this, by rotating the chain in by one hand and doing this other hand. And this much oil we have consumed, like 150 ml something. So I have filled up like till here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This will last a long time. And after now just clean the chain with a old cloth rag, or you can buy dhoti from a truck shop. It's very cheap. And just clean the excess of oil and you're good to go. Riding the bike at speed of 80 for 10 kilometers, checking for oil spills, drops, and you can see the rim, tire, everything is clean. There is no spills, and even on the swing arm there are no drops, no mess. There are some drops on the side stand and on the center stand as they are very close to the chain, but else it's clean. And this proves that you don't need chain lube. The normal oil sticks, transmission oil sticks, and doesn't create a mess. So save your money.